Hi everyone, I want to welcome you back to Rachel Brandt's Design. On today's video, I will be making a card using the Cricut Joy. The items that you will need to make this project will be the Cricut card mat, a spatula, the Cricut Joy pens, and this tip is the 0.3. I will also be using a Zig pen, some gold, glitter glue, and then the last thing of course you need is your cards. So this is the 4¼ by 5½ card. It's in cream and with the gold matte insert. So let's go ahead and jump into Cricut Design Space to select the card. Here in Cricut Design Space, we are going to be making a card for today. So underneath all categories, we can narrow down our search to cards. And what's really great is you can even narrow down your search to the specific size of card you are going to be making. So today I'm going to be making a 4¼ by 5½ card. So I'm going to go ahead and select that option. And then over here under search projects, I'm going to go ahead and type in birthday. And then I can see all the super cute birthday cards that are available for me to be able to make. So for today, I'm going to be making a card for my niece who is turning 4 years old. And I thought that this magical birthday party card would be the perfect card to make for her birthday. So when I take a look at what I need specifically for the card. So of course I'm going to need my Cricut Joy card mat. And of course you're going to need your card insert. And on top of that too, for this one, you also need a Cricut Joy pen. So this one needs the extra fine point pen 0.3 and in black. And then you also are going to need your scraper. So from here, I can go ahead now and select my Make It. And then over here, I'm going to see a preview of what the card is going to look like before it is going to be cut out. So I can see it over here on the Cricut Joy mat. Then from here, I'm going to go ahead and click on continue. And then my computer is going to now connect via Bluetooth to my Cricut Joy for it to cut out. I've gone ahead and already have placed the card onto the card mat. From there, I'm going to go ahead and load the Cricut Joy pen onto the Cricut Joy, which will be used to draw out different aspects and images of the card. Once that is completed, then you're going to need to unload the Cricut Joy pen and then load the blade, which will be used to cut out different aspects of the card. So sit back and watch as you see this card come together. Now that the card has been completed, I'm going to go ahead and take my spatula to slowly remove the card from the card mat. Since it's cardstock, you want to be very careful that it doesn't rip. And since it was a new mat, it was super sticky, so I just took my time as I was removing the card from the card mat. I noticed that there were a couple of pieces that were still stuck onto my card, so I went ahead and used my fingers to remove those pieces out. If you also have your weeder handy, you can definitely use your weeder to go ahead and poke those pieces out of your card. So next I'm going to be adding the gold matte insert into the card, but before I do that, I like to actually add some glue into the back of the card because I noticed that when you place the insert into the card, it doesn't lie flat sometimes. So just by adding glue, and you'll see that I'm just kind of placing the glue all throughout the card, it definitely helps to make it lie a lot flatter. I like to use a Zig pen because it does dry clear. So just in case it does get onto the insert, you're not going to see it at all because it dries clear. So from here, as you can see, I'm just going to go ahead now and place the insert into the card. You want to be very careful as you're doing that. As you can see, I was struggling a little bit towards the top, so I just wanted to take my time that I didn't actually go ahead and rip that part at all. So you just go ahead and take your time. I absolutely love making birthday cards. Between birthday cards and Christmas cards, those are my favorite cards to make. So go ahead and let me know in the comment box, what are your favorite type of cards to make? But I definitely enjoy making birthday cards and also Christmas cards too. All right, and then the last thing I went ahead and did, I just wanted to, again, make my card pop a little bit more. So I just added some glitter, so some gold glitter into different aspects of my card. Here's a close-up of the card that I made for today for my niece for her birthday. I love the way it came out. I really think that the glitter helps to give this card an extra pop. One other thing I quickly added to the back of the card is this handmade with love, and I just signed it here. I got a set of all of these handmade with love stickers at my local Dollarama, and I like to add them to the back of any card that I make. So if you liked my card for today, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button to stay up to date with all of the different craft projects that I will be making on this channel. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I hope you have yourself a fantastic day. Take care, everyone. Bye.